There's something beautiful and visceral about hearing a tolling bell in the distance. It's a sound with nuanced meaning, and the sound of a bell could suggest a shared experience with people from the past, with those who listened and marked their time through its reverberations. In medieval times, bells often acted as a mnemonic for complex messages around religion, rulership, and community, calling people to prayer and summoning them to participate in funeral rites and rituals. The ringing of bells was often considered to be an invocation to Saint Michael, asking him to aid the passage of souls into heaven, as well as informing the community of a recent death. In Christian practice, there are 7 historical hours of prayer or divine office, and it was on these hours that the bells would have traditionally rung out, calling the people to prayer.